Doug Wilson here with Wilson Premier Hyundai on I-55 near Madison, and I wanted you to be one of the first to know about the incredible specials we're running in our service department right now. It's almost October and it's, well, just hot, and as you know, a Mississippi summer seems to last forever. The heat and the humidity are so thick you could cut it with a knife, and since you probably spend a lot of time commuting from one place to the next, you'll need to make sure that your vehicle's air conditioning system is up to par. Just bring your car to Wilson Premier Hyundai and our certified technicians will perform a free, full inspection of your air conditioning system. That's right, we'll do it for free so you can drive happy. And don't forget about the quality of the air in your car. It might be time to replace your cabin air filter. That way you get the cleanest, freshest air your air conditioner can provide. Well, you're in luck. We're offering a new cabin air filter with free installation for just $39.95. That's a brand new filter installed free. Come see us at Wilson Premier Hyundai in Ridgeland and let us help you survive the rest of the Mississippi summer. You can just pull up to the service department drive without an appointment, or you can make an appointment on our website, or you can give us a call at 601-856-6423. I look forward to seeing you again soon in our Wilson Premier Hyundai service department on I-55 in Madison County.